Hey y'all, this is KO4DDG. Today we're going to take apart a oscilloscope. It's going to be a B&K Precision Model 1431. It works, sorta. Never really dealt with this older model, so we're just going to take it apart, see what condition it's in. I'm going to fire it up. Let me attach the probe. Alrighty, probe's attached. Don't actually know how to use this, so let's put it on a light source here, AC source. It's on AC. Don't even know if the probe works. But we're just going to take it apart, see what condition everything is in. So stand by. Okay, if I had to guess, I would guess I had to take the screws out. These might just be feet. Yeah, these are just feet. So that's not going to get taken apart. No screws on that side, no screws on top. Don't really want to put it on his head. So let's just go with this one screw here, see if we take this out and the whole thing will come apart. This being lab equipment, it's possibly the way it works. That one screw is out. Everything lifts off. Ah, geez. Now I did just fire this up, so I gotta be careful. It's a CRT. Might be some capacitors that would shock the crap out of me. That's a big cap there. Alright, so here it is. Big ass transformer. And it's dirty as crap. Let's see what I can do with it here. Using a brush that you use for ACs. It's not really stiff at all. Looks like it might be calibration knobs, possibly. Oh, that don't look good. It looks like it got a little toasty at one point. Alright, this is Jason, KO4DDG. Just wanted to show you this. First time taking it apart. I got it at Hamfest in Tullahoma about 2 years ago for a good price. Not sure why I picked it up. I guess I should have got a digital one. But anyway, there you go. KO4DDG 73.